Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to add Google AdSense to your WordPress website. So let's just begin. First of all, you have to log in into your WordPress website, and after that you can see here that we are on the dashboard of our WordPress website. So how can we add the Google AdSense to our WordPress website? That is really easy. First of all, we have to create the Google AdSense account with our Gmail. Then we have to connect our Google AdSense account with our WordPress website. Okay, so let's just go to the Google first, and here we just have to write down Google AdSense. Okay, so as you can see here at the top of the search we have the Google AdSense. So I actually want to sign in into my Google AdSense account. So let's click on sign in to continue to AdSense, and here I have to log in with my Gmail account. Alright, so I have logged in into the Google AdSense with my Gmail account, and as you can see that I have already added a website, but now I will actually add a new website here. Okay, so if I just click on the website, click on the visit website, you will be able to see that we have the different website here. So now what I will do, I'll just simply add this website to my Google AdSense account. Okay, so let's just copy the URL from here, and now what I need to do, click here. So I want to add a new website, and I can also delete or remove this website as well. So let's click on the add another website. Here I have to paste the URL here, click on the save. Now you will be able to see that I have added the URL of my website here. Alright, and you can also see the bunch of different options here in the Google AdSense that I will be explaining later. Okay, so first of all, let's just go back to our WordPress dashboard, and we have to go inside the plugin and click on the add new here. And here what I need to do, I have to add a plugin here. Okay, so the plugin is actually Google Ads. Okay, so now you can see here we have Sitekit by Google, Analytics, Search Console, and AdSense and Speed by Google. So we have to install this plugin, and as you can see that this plugin actually has 3 million active installations. Okay, so we have to install this plugin and click on the activate. Alright, so we have activated our Google Sitekit. So now what we need to do, we have to start the setup here. So let's click on the start setup. Alright, so first of all, we have to sign in with our Google account, but let's just connect our Google Analytics as a part of our setup as well. So check on this and click on sign in. Alright, so now what we need to do, we have to give additional access to Sitekit to our Google account. Okay, so let's click on the continue. So now you can see this, we have the 4 different steps. So the first step is actually that Google would verify our site ownership to whether we are actual owner of this website or not. So how Google is going to do this? It is really simple. Google will add a verification token to our website HTML code. Okay, so let's click on the verify. Now the second option is to turn on the metrics on the dashboard. Okay, so this would actually show us the metrics on the Sitekit dashboard, which would allow our website to access the Google account data, and from there we can see or revoke the access for our website in the Sitekit settings at any time. Okay, so we have to allow this as well. And now the third step is to set up the search console. Okay, alright, so how people will find your website on the Google search? To see that, we have to add our website to the search console. Alright, so let's click on the setup, and in the last we have to set up the Google Analytics, and Google Analytics will help us to understand how visitor find and use our website. Alright, so now let's click on the next here. Okay, so now what we need to do, we have to configure our Google Analytics. Okay, so first of all, we have to select the account here, and we have to select the property. All right, so that is actually the URL of our website, and in last we have the web data stream. Okay, so now let's click on the button here, Alright, so we have successfully completed the setup for the analytics. Okay, so now what we need to do, we have to connect one more service to see the stats. So for that, we have to actually go inside the settings. Okay, so in the settings, as you can see that we have the AdSense and we have the tag manager. So right now our current focus is that we have to connect our AdSense account. So here I will simply click on the setup AdSense. So now what we need to do, we have to again connect our Google account with the site kit. So let's click on the continue. Okay, so we have successfully connected our website with the Google AdSense, but the thing is that our account is actually not ready to show the ads yet, because there are some criteria by the Google AdSense that we have to fulfill if we want to show ads on our website. Okay, so for that we need to fix some things here in the Google AdSense. So let's click on the review Google AdSense here. Okay, so now what we need to do, we actually have to add the payment details, and along with that we have to connect our website to the AdSense. Okay, so at the moment I will be skipping the payment option, but I'm sure you will be able to do this by yourself. So let's connect our website to the AdSense first. Click on the let's go. Okay, so now what we need to do, we have to select the verification method. The first one is AdSense code snippet that we have to add in the head element of our website. And we also have the ads.txt snippet and the meta tag as well. Okay, so now what we need to do, we have to copy paste this code between our head element. Alright, so how can we do this? So let's just copy this. We have to go back to the dashboard of our website, and here you can see the appearance, and in the appearance you can see the theme file editor. So we have to click here, and here what we need to do, we have to go inside the header.php, and in the header.php you will be able to see the head element here. Okay, you can see the head element here. So now what we need to do, we have to paste our code here, and we have to update the file now. Alright, so to connect your website, what you need to do, you have to do the verification first, and then after that what you will do, you will actually make a request to the Google AdSense that whether your website is eligible for the Google AdSense or not. And after that, if your website is eligible for the Google AdSense, it will simply connect your website with the Google AdSense account. That's it. Alright, so this is how you can add the Google AdSense account with our WordPress website. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.